Today I'm going to show you how I install and wire an HID Signo card reader. This reader can communicate using either Wiegand or OSDP depending on how the access control system is configured. On this particular installation, I'm wiring all 6 conductors for Wiegand. First, I'll get the card reader pulled out where I have enough room to work on and strip back the outer jacket. Careful here because you don't want to nick any of the individual conductors inside. You'll also notice the bare drain wire in the cable. On our installations, we terminate the shield and drain at the panel end only, so I typically cut the drain back here at the reader and make sure it can't accidentally make contact with anything. Aside from that, you also want to make sure to cut back your extra conductors off of your card reader and tape them back to where they can't touch each other or touch anything. Next, I'll prep the 6 conductors we're actually using with a typical Wiegand reader connection. You have power and ground, data 0 and data 1, plus the additional conductors used for functions like the LED and beeper, depending on the system and configuration. One thing I always recommend is verifying the documentation for the reader and the access control panel you're connecting it to instead of blindly wiring everything based off of color. I have had that come up in situations in the past where certain card readers use different colors for different things. I make each connection individually, give it a quick tug to make sure it's secure, then organize everything so the wiring will actually fit behind the reader without getting pinched. Once everything's terminated, I tape it up, but carefully push all these connections and excess cable back into the wall or the box. Then the signal reader hooks onto its mounting plate and gets secured in place. After that, we're ready to power the system, test a credential, verify communication, and make sure the reader behaves correctly at the door. And that's basically it. 6 conductors landed for Wiegand on this installation, drain isolated at the reader end and everything tucked away cleanly, and another HID signal ready to go. If you want to see more real-world access control, low-voltage wiring, troubleshooting, and installation videos like this, subscribe. I've got plenty more coming.